na-chika na pala ano nangyari sa akin 11 days ago. Nahihiya ako kasi napaka-workaholic naman. Bakit nandito si ma'am? Alright, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning. So on behalf of Sports Nutrition Association of the Philippines, it is with so much joy and gratitude that I welcome each and every one of you to our second Philippine Sports Nutrition Summit. Itong araw na to, we are not just gathered as professionals. We are gathered as a community with one shared mission, and this year is to build ASEAN World Olympic Champions through science-based nutrition, nurturing environment, advanced mental health support, and access to high-quality healthcare. So this summit is a reminder of why SNAP exists. And that is why it is to create a space where nutrition professionals, coaches, sports doctors, athletes, educators can come together to elevate the role of nutrition in sports and athlete development. Gusto ko din pasalamatan ang Philippine Sports Commission sa kanilang pagtitiwala. Maraming salamat po for your continued support and trust. Kasama namin kayo noong una pang Sports Nutrition Summit last year, 2024. And it means so much to have you with us again this year. At sana magtuloy-tuloy. Hindi man kami ang magiging board of directors for the next years, sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang suporta ng PSC sa SNAP. To all our SNAP members, this summit is your work. Hindi mag-i-exist ang organization without you. Your passion, your commitment in action. Maraming salamat for standing with us and believing in SNAP's mission. You actually made it possible. And to our athletes, coaches, guests, and partners, welcome po. We hope this day inspires you, challenges you, and reminds you that we are in this together, working to create a healthier, stronger, and more competitive Philippines. Muli, welcome to the second Philippine Sports Nutrition Summit. Let's make this a meaningful and powerful day para sa ating mga atleta, para po sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat and enjoy the summit.